Hello everyone, welcome to Java Master. In today's class, we are going to learn about Java programming language. Let's start.
So what is Java? Java is a programming language based on object-oriented programming. Now comes the question, what is an object-oriented programming? It's a programming way where the application is based and built upon object. For example, if you have a car racing gaming application, car is considered as one of the object and the road on which the car moves is considered as another object. So in this slide, we learned what is Java, what is object-oriented programming. Let's move to the next slide. In this slide, we are going to learn about basic elements to write Java program. There are four basic elements: class, method, variable, package. Class is nothing but a definition of a real world object, and method defines behavior. Variable defines properties of a class. For example, here you can see you have a class called car. Inside this class, you have three variables: car name, car color, and number of wheels. So these are the three variables that define properties of a car. Then we have three methods: start, set speed, apply brake. These are the three methods that defines the behavior of the class car. Then comes the package. Package is used to group class. You see here the package com.kitco.gaming.car contains a class called car. So that's all about basic elements to write Java program. Now we know what are the basic elements. But how to run this Java program? To run a Java program, we need a start point. We'll see about that in the next slide. Main method, if you see here, this is one Java class called game app, and it has a main method. In any Java application, main method is the starting point of execution. So inside main method, you can write a set of instructions that needs to be executed. So let's see how to start a car, then set the speed, and then apply brake. So this is my gaming application. This gaming application has two packages. One contains the game app and another contains the car class. As we already discussed, package is used to group classes. Now let's see what game app has. Game app has a public static void main method, which is nothing but the entry point of our Java program execution. Then we have a car class. As we already know, car has three different variables and three different methods. Now let's see how to start a car, how to set speed to a car, and how to apply a brake. So here is our main method, which is nothing but the start point of our Java execution. Inside the main method, we can set a set of instructions for Java to execute. So as we already discussed, Java is an object-oriented programming. So to set an instruction, first we need to create an object of car class. So this is the instruction to create an object of car class. Then I'm saying to set the car name to Tata Safari, car color to red, and number of wheels to 4. Once that is done, I'm giving an instruction to start the car and then set speed to 9000. Then I'm telling to apply brake. So now we have written all the instructions. How to execute these instructions? How to run this main method? For that, you need to right click on the file, run as Java application. Here is the output of our Java application. So set of instruction was given as input and we expected the output. First we started the car. Here you can see the output. For that, Tata Safari color red started. Then I set speed. For that you can see here Tata Safari 4 is running with speed 9000. Then we applied the brake. Then we can here see in the output Tata Safari stopped. This is all about Java programming execution. Let's move back to this slide. So let's summarize in the next slide. So in today's class, we learned about Java programming language, basic elements to write Java program, and how to run main method in Java, which is nothing but how to run a Java application. So in the upcoming videos, we'll see what are the tools needed to run Java application and how to install them on your machine. That's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed it, liked it. Please subscribe for it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.